is, people, the blue light of death. Well, there you go. PS5 is acting like ass right about now. Not really blue light of death. It's a mess right about now because it's all chaos. But yeah, this is what has been happening with my PS5 lately. I quickly caught it on camera, almost missed it. But yeah, it keeps randomly shutting off. This is my PS5 Pro, brand spanking new. Many of y'all may have seen the video I made last November. Yeah, cable management is shit. But yeah, couple months in and it's on the fritz right about now. So keep shutting off automatically, regardless of if there's a SSD in or not, regardless if I just turn on the system, regardless if I'm playing a game, regardless if I'm just sitting in the menu, regardless if I just power it on for a few seconds. You may even see it go off right now on camera. I mean, I'd love for that to actually happen for footage purposes. But over here, the original packaging, PS5 Pro, the white box that comes in a paper box, and the coffin that I just received. Guys, this was pure drama and a half to get. Sony is a bit weird, especially here in Canada. I don't know how it is in the US and Europe and other places. Oh shit, there it is. There it is. I did not cut or edit this video. There it is, the blue light and the screen, no signal, and it's gone. So this is what keeps on happening. I have troubleshooted this so many times, especially since I was in the middle of playing Doom the Dark Ages. I was gonna do an impressions video on that. Not sure if I'm gonna do that again, because by the time I get this, by the time I get this back, everyone and their grandmother should be done playing that game. So I'm not sure if that's going to make any sense. But there you go. So I've told you all the troubleshooting stuff I've done. I really wanted to finish that game. It is flipping awesome. But it's the end of the road. She's going in the coffin, back to Sony. Best Buy coverage does not kick in till after the company warranty is up, which is 1 year. So that's it. I'm stuck with this. So just letting you guys know as an update what's going on with the PS5 Pro. This is my journey of getting this thing repaired. I can't share the information on the box, of course, but that's all it is. It took me over a week just to get this because they messed up my address and the company had to call Sony. I had to call Sony and all that crap, but it is what it is. So yeah, keeping this uncut, raw and uncut. Lighting isn't so great. I'm not wearing any nice fit. My hoodie that I usually wear is in the background here as I'm gonna get dressed before I actually did this video. But yeah, the PS5 is all for yourself. Just crapped out live on video here. So that's it. Beginning of my journey getting my PS5 Pro fixed. Not a good look, Sony. Your quality control this generation has been questionable. My OG PS5 lasted me almost 5 years till I sold it and gave me 0 issues. I've only had this thing for a couple of months and whatever. The Pulse Elite headsets here that I'm going to show you right about now. As you guys can see, it's right there. It's working perfectly fine with that hack that I showed in my video. Yeah. Quality control is definitely I miss this gen, so when you get your act together. Alright peeps, so a little addition here. So after freaking out about this thing, confirming that she wants to go back to its maker, I just wanted to show you guys what comes in the coffin package. You know, your special burial treatment here. Yeah, so this is what you get. An inconspicuous looking, nothing fancy cardboard box. They give you the padding, of course. You slip your PS5 Pro or PS5 or whatever between these two. They give you instructions here of how to package everything. Of course, you get it in both English and French, with it being Canada here, so that's cool. There's that. First, they give you a nice, if you want to call it nice, but something to slip, a sleeve to slip the PS5 in, and of course the shipping label. I'm not going to show that for obvious reasons. And that's it. Nothing fancy. I kid you not, things were just tossed in here, like, oh, they give you a bit of bubble wrap here, a very slim sheet, not even enough to wrap the PS5 in. I'm sorry, I'm not impressed, Sony, and I'm already pissed off with this thing. People, I got the hat on and hoodie on, but guys, I am not really disappointed. I'm just pissed, especially since I was in the middle of playing Doom, the Dark Ages, as I said before. I'm pissed off. But yeah, that's what comes in the coffin. Um, so that's it, guys. I'll give you an update on when I get this thing back. Let you know if it's working, if I got a brand new one, or if they fixed it. Quite frankly, I prefer to just get a new one and call it a day. This seems more like a power supply issue based on how sporadic this thing is. It's not overheating. It's nothing to do with the SSD. I highly doubt it's the SSD. Could be, but to me, it's maybe the SSD, but I'm almost certain this is a power supply issue. I'm no technician or whatever, but it's not a good look, Sony. So, see you guys in the next update.